Are you a fashion designer? Are you a tailor? Do you know that you can literally get any measurement you want? When some person send you measurements from abroad or from any part, and some of the measurements in that measurement book is not correct, do you know you can get those measurements on your own and you get it perfectly accurate? Do you understand? Do you know you can do that? Now let me give you an example. Do you know you can get your trouser length whereby they did not send you trouser length, but let's say they sent something like inseam and they send something like your crotch length, you obviously get the trouser length. How do you get it? All you have to do is to inseam plus what? Crotch length gives you what? Trouser length. I know that some of you will not understand this. This is because you did not do your basic course very well. Do you understand? Maybe some of you are those people that went to a school that does not pay attention on the basics. All they want to do is to make you happy by teaching you what they think you actually want to learn. That's why probably you don't know what inseam is all about or what crotch length is all about. When you add both of them, all you are getting is something we call the outseam. Outseam is equal to trouser length. Do you understand? That's just example number one. Do you also know that you can get your knee length even if they did not give you a knee? Provided that they gave you the trouser length, you can obviously get your knee length. How do you do that? Your trouser length divided by 2 can give you your knee length. That is for those of the people that possesses this structure that from their waist to their knee is equal from their knee to their calf. No, to their ankle. Do you understand? There are people that have such shape, but there are people that you can see that one part is longer. Let's say probably from their waist to their knee is longer than from their knee to their ankle. Those people, the formula is what? The trouser length divided by 2 plus 2. Example, your trouser length is 40. All you have to do is 40 divided by 2 will give you what? 20. That is if you are part of those that they are from their waist to their knee is equal to from knee to what? Ankle. But if you're part of those that one part is longer, your formula is what? 40 divided by 2, which is going to give you 20. Add extra 2 to it. That is making one part longer, which is going to give you what? 22. It means that from your waist to your knee line is actually 22. Do you know that you can actually get your crotch length whereby you have your inseam and your trouser length? See, if I can start telling you, you can get a lot of things. Like, do you know you can get your hip circumference whereby you were not given hip circumference? Just with your thigh, I can give you your hip circumference. Now, let's say, for example, your thigh is 24. What do I have to do? All I have to do is what? 24 divided by 2 is going to give me what? 12. Then I will now do 12 minus 2 is going to give me what? 10. Then I will now do 10 times 4 is going to give me what? 40. So that means if you are having a thigh circumference of 24, your official and standard hip circumference is actually what? 40. But this actually determines on the shape of the person. But in most cases, 98% it works for everybody. If you are this particular measurement, make sure you state in the comment section. Thanks, and God bless you. I just want to let you know that this fashion designing is very easy, and I'm an authority in this particular field. So that's why I've authored a book called The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. This book is actually going to guide you. It's going to teach you all these secrets that most of you don't actually know. So in case you really want to know some of these things that I've known that some persons did not know, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the link you can see on my bio. If you're watching from TikTok, it's going to take you to a seller website whereby you're going to make purchase of my book. And when you purchase this book, make sure you DM me. I'm going to be adding you to a Telegram group. Please, you must purchase it within 24 to 48 hours for you to have access to my Telegram group free of charge. I know some of you might not value this Telegram group, but I want to let you know that this is a group I add people, only people that pay from 50 to 250k, depending on the package or the program which they register. But I'm going to be adding you free of charge. So make sure you just rush now, make sure you go and get your own. Then if you're watching from America, Canada, and you want to get this book as a hard copy, you need it, you want to touch it like this, the book on the red cover, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. All you have to do is to go to Amazon.com and make sure you search for The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. You'll see the book on the red cover. Make sure you click on the one called the paperback and you're going to make your purchase. Thanks, and may God bless you. Remember, if you want me to add you to the Telegram group, all you have to do is to DM me and you're going to be getting it.